Hey guys, welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. I'm Alex and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're going to make Blue Lagoon for no reason other than it's blue. Why would you want to drink anything that's not blue when you can drink things that are blue? Blue. This one's mega easy. Fill up a glass with ice. When I say fill, I mean that much ice. And this really is pretty light on the booze. This is like a Saturday afternoon, just want a blue drink kind of drink. Blue. So it's a single vodka, a little bit on the table. It's a single blue. The great thing about blue curacao is that it's blue. Tastes almost identical to triple sec. So any cocktails that have triple sec in them and no other coloured liquids, if it's going to be a clear drink anyway and it's got triple sec in it, you can make it blue. You just put this in instead of the triple sec. You can see how much has gone. Ooh, yeah. That's blue now. Blue. And for a Blue Lagoon, you're supposed to put lemonade, but I'm going to use bitter lemon because at the moment we've got sickly sweet orange. I think a bit of bitter would be the correct way to counter that. Also, the bitter lemon is cloudy, so it looks better. I suppose if you wanted it sweeter and you wanted to retain the look, you could use cloudy lemonade. Do what you want. Blue. I'm going to put a cherry in this because I think they look the best in a blue drink. Oh. I thought it was going to float. Oh, it's orangey. Maybe we'll put a slice of orange. Now that's a drink. I'm really happy I used the bitter lemon rather than just lemonade. So what hits you first? You have the bitter lemon. The vodka, I mean, who cares? You might as well not put it in. Yeah, the bitter lemon happens, and then you get the sweet from the blue curacao. Blue. There's a bit of syrup coming from the cherry. It's a tasty drink. Clear up some of that. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it helps other people find this content. Cheers. It's the most ridiculous drink. I love it. It's so stupid.